Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to restrict specific text field for URL and we are going to prevent URL in specific text field in contact form 7 in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our text field. So we are going to prevent URL not allowed. Now go to edit form. So this is our form and then you see name, your name. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section, open and then you can add title it. Then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our custom code and then you see restricted field name, your name. So this is the name value of our input field. Now go to form. Now you see your name. Go to form page again, right click on it and then click on inspect and then you see name attribute we are using in custom code, your name. Now you see in inspect element. Now close, back to custom code and then you see result invalid tag. So this is a message, URL are not allowed in this field and then you see array and then you see match. Then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. So first we are going to fill this form without link or URL in text field. So we added some information and then click on submit. Now you see form submission done and then you see message. Now we are going to add URL in text field. So this text field we are going to target. So we added link or URL and then click on submit again. Now you see one or more field have an error. Now you see URLs are not allowed in this field. Now remove S from HTTPS and then click on submit again. Again you see error. Now make it www and then click on submit again. Again you see error, URLs are not allowed. Now you see we added this and then click on submit again. Again you see error. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.